Hi guys, what's up and welcome to my channel, and it's Tutor Pro again. And today I will be showing you how to fix the issue of this printer wherein it is unable to feed the paper properly. So I will discuss the things that are very important for us to consider on what is the possibility why the paper could not feed in the printer properly. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. We'll be updated for the new videos that we'll have in the future. Right? So let's begin. So basically we have the paper right here and it's crumpled on this part. So there's a possibility that there's a foreign material in the printer. So what we're going to do is to unplug first all the connections so that we can open the printer, and we need to disassemble this one. So watch out for this. Just follow what you can see on this video on how we are able to disassemble this Epson L220 printer. Now let's try to feed this paper manually so that we can see if what is blocking its way in the printer. Make sure to move the print head carriage so that the paper can be fed in the printer. Visually check for any possible foreign material blocking the way of the paper. Now that I found the thing that blocks the paper on its way, I need to push it out using a screwdriver. That thing pushed out is a styrofoam. Now we will run a manual paper feed test again. And let's see if there's still something that blocks the paper on its way. Perfect. Nothing blocks on the way. Now let's remove that piece of styrofoam out. There you go. That is the one blocking the paper's way. So simple, so small, yet it could cause complicated problem. Since we're done, we need to reassemble this printer again. And now for the final testing. So that is how you troubleshoot a computer printer which is unable to feed the paper properly. It's yours truly again, Tutor Go, always saying keep safe and have a great day.